So now we're going to set the doors in, get the hinge location set. This is Parker's first time doing this, so we're going to go through it with him. Here we go. Because if you don't, this thing's going to be too long for it to see how it fouls this. So when you do. places that we're attaching sheet metal to the base frame, we use rivets. They do add some rigidity, but in all actuality, the frame is taking most of the load, so all it does is help at that point, and it just is another way of fastening, really. Just fastens the sheet metal to the metal frame. For our bottom flanges, we incorporate welding and the rivets. These are big stainless 1/4-inch rivets, pretty strong. These are going to reinforce the welds on the inside of this flange as well. And you know, it is what holds it to the truck, so it has to be really strong. So we do beef this up quite a bit. What we're getting ready to do now is stitch weld on the inside and around the edges so that this thing cannot come off, it can't flex, it's going to be solid. Tree houses are like 90% out of position welding, so it does add some fun to it. One challenge with welding aluminum is sometimes when you initiate an arc, it doesn't go where you point it. So sometimes you kind of have to play with the arc, move your torch around and get it to go where you want it to go before it actually starts flowing the metal together. So aluminum, it's a fun time. I mean that sincerely. Welds left to do on this thing, and then it's pretty much done being welded and fabricated. After that, we'll just go over and sand everything, make sure there's no deep scratches, get all that kind of imperfections out of it, go over our sheet metal, all that stuff, just get it ready for powder coat. That's pretty much it for the base. Hope you enjoyed watching.